Section 4 is going to cover questions 10 through 14. In the circle below, the inscribed angle is angle APB, and the measure of angle APB is 30 degrees. PX bisects the angle APB. Place the 30-degree angle diagram that you used in the beginning of the activity so that vertex X S is at the point P, and the angle bisectors coincide. Slide S so that it's closer to X than P, keeping the angle bisectors on top of each other. Then slide S away from X so that S is outside the circle and so that the angle bisectors are still aligned. Think about locations of S from which Chris will be certain to make a shot into the goal zone. Using the circle as a point of reference from which points along PX will Chris be certain of making a shot into the goal. It would be any point on PX that is inside or on the circumference of the circle. Number 11. On the circle below, select a new point W on the major arc determined by points A and B and carefully draw angle AWB. It says the measure of AWB is 30 degrees. Explain. Because it intercepts arc AB which has a measure of 60 degrees. Use appropriate tools strategically. By careful use of a protractor or by construction, draw the angle bisector of angle AWB. Does your new angle bisector also go through point X? Use the properties that you have learned in this activity to support your conclusion. Yes. All inscribed angles that intercept arc AB measure 30 degrees. X bisects AB and the measure of arc AX equals the measure of arc XB, which equals 30 degrees. Place vertex S on your 30-degree angle of the circle above so that the angle bisectors coincide. Slide S from the starting position at W closer and further from point X, using the circle as a point of reference, from which points along the angle bisector will Chris be certain of making a shot into the goal zone. This would be any point on the angle bisector that is inside or on the circumference of the circle. On to the next set of questions.